It's Christmas!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Welcome everybody to the fun, festive season of food. For the next few weeks, I'm going to be sharing my favorite Christmas recipes with you all. Not only my favorite recipes, but plenty of hints, tips, and everything else along the way. And today, I'm going to start off with what is essential to me at Christmas. No Christmas could be or should be complete with eating at least one of these every year. I'm going to be showing you all how to make my own mince pies. So for me, any mince pie, the key point of it has to be the pastry. The pastry needs to be crumbly yet soft and sweet enough that it doesn't take away from the flavour inside of the mince pie. And I'm going to show you how to make the best sweet crust pastry for those mince pies. So for this recipe, all you will need is 450 grams or 1 pound of all-purpose plain flour, 230 grams or 8 ounces of butter. I use salted butter. A lot of recipes say unsalted butter, and that's fine. I use salted because I put salt in anyway, just to enhance the flavour, so salted is fine. So now that we have our flour and our butter combined, it should resemble the texture of breadcrumbs. That's exactly what you want to move on to the next step. 75 grams or 2.5 ounces of icing sugar, 3 egg yolks, and 4 tablespoons of cold water. Then it should come together. When you start feeling it coming together, you can take it out, just crimp it up all together into a ball. Now, when it comes to the minced meat, I have my own here that I'm going to use. I'm going to put the recipe below in the description so you can follow it. It's not that difficult. It's basically a whole bunch of ingredients in a bowl, left to soak with lots of alcohol over a week, and then you can use it. Simple. We're getting there, lads. We're almost ready there now. Just sprinkle your surface with some flour and sprinkle your pastry also. Hit it out with your rolling pin to make it a little bit easier to roll, and then roll to a 5mm thickness all around.
Joy to the world.
Now I have 2 scone cutters. One is bigger than the other, as you can see. The reason for this is because one has to go around these molds here, which I just, as you can see, lightly oiled. They are non-stick, but I just want to make sure that they don't stick. So one of them is the big one. This big one goes around and up, so it lifts up, and then this one is for the lid, which sits on top.
Let us sing. Oh, let us sing. Let man their songs employ. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns.
say the proof is in the pudding. No, it's in the pie. Let's see how they taste. Delicious. Try them yourself with some whipped cream, some ice cream, custard, whatever you like. They're a delicious crowd pleaser.